Hello friends, good afternoon. How are you today? I have a very cute product here. I'm going to introduce a nice voice recorded video. So can you imagine what product is it? This is a voice recorder which is a pen. So let's unbox in front of you. Let's open in front of you. This is a very interesting pen, but this is not a regular pen. You can use it as a regular pen because if you twist here, you can see we have ink in here. But this is a secret audio recorder. Look at this. We have USB 3 port here. This is the cap. We can cover this part. No one can identify what is this, right? Look at this. Here we have a clip, but inside the clip we have a secret button. Can you see? Here we have a very tiny button. If you click here for 3 seconds, it will indicate a green light, and then it will indicate another light which is red. So right now it's recording. By pressing for 1 time and 3 seconds, it will turn on and start recording automatically. So now it's recording. Look at this. I hope you can see this indicator. If you press again for 3 seconds, it will stop recording and the file will be saved automatically. And there is another use for this clip. If sometimes your audio recorder have some issues, you can press it for 10 seconds, it will be reset. Okay? So look at this interface. This is very lightweight, only 17 gram. But you can use this for recording for 8 or 9 hours. It works from 0 to 45 degree temperature. Okay, so let's introduce other parts what you can get inside the box. We have USB 2.0 to USB-C connector. By using this connector, we can connect our recorder with the computer, laptop or anything else. Okay, so this cable is very good quality, high-speed USB 2.0 and USB-C connector. So you can connect this device with a mobile phone like iPhone and Android. Okay, and what is this? This is extra ink that can be used to replace your present ink inside. So sometimes you can use this pen as a regular pen to act like you are writing, but secretly you are recording. Okay, so we have 3 more ink here. So let's open this. This is headphones you can get with the recorder. This is a premium quality. We can connect it directly with the voice recorder. Here you can have some buttons. Look at this. We have plus, minus and pause or stop button. So by using plus or minus, you can change the files, you can reduce the volumes, and by pressing in the middle button, you can stop and start playback. Okay, if you press twice here, the audio will be changed into the next file. If you press twice and hold it for 2 seconds, it will increase or decrease the volume. Like if you click in the plus twice and press it, it will increase the volume. If you click twice in the minus button, it will decrease the volume. While you will replay the audio, you can press in the middle to stop and start recording. Let's introduce a very interesting part, how to check it from mobile. You can use it with your iPhone or Android. So let's connect with the iPhone here. Can you see? Then we have our own app. You can get it in the App Store by searching VicLink. Can you see? This is our home page actually. If we click here, we can see all of our recorded file, right? We can see a bunch of file here. So if we click here, it will be saved into the app. These are our local files actually in our device, and these files are in our software, mobile software. So we can play from both locations. So if we click here, yeah, it will start playing. Look at this. Here we have some forward option. We can go forward and go back. Can you see here we have AI option like this? Look at this. It's super fast, right? So here we have few more options. This is in English, right? Because I'm speaking in English. If you want to change it into Japanese, we have Japanese too and Chinese. Okay, look at this. I chose Chinese, so it translated into Chinese. If you want to edit, you can do it from here. Okay, that's fine. If you want to share the audio, then you can do it from here. If you want to share the translated file, you can do it from here. Share transcription text and many more options. And here you can see we have summary option that can summarize your lecture or audios. So you can click try it. Look at this. So let's make it into English because Japanese will be very hard to understand for us. So let's try. This is in English. Then we can make the summary. Actually, the summary is very useful here. This is not like a robot. This is meaningful, okay? And it really works. Look at this. Then we can share, we can edit and everything. We can do it from here. So if you want to delete, so we can scroll like this. We can push. Look at this. We can push on the left. Then we have rename, delete, and share option. These three options will be appeared from the right side. Okay, and here we don't need to change anything because these are the default option when you will connect your audio device. So our app can detect automatically from here. But if sometimes you face any error, you can change it from here, OTG and Bluetooth, because some of our device connected by Bluetooth, so that's why. So no need to change anything. So this is the main interface actually. Okay, so that's all. You can use this device for a professional purpose, for security person, or anyone can use it.